Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the Gal Speed wheels. I'm super excited. I just got them today. So I got the Gal Speed wheels for the Yamaha R3 2018. So for those of you who haven't seen me before, my name is Marco and I'm working right now on my project bike, which is my R3. And I wanted to get a new set of wheels, so I just ordered some wheels from Japan, from WeBike in Japan. And after about a month of waiting, I just got the wheels today. So having said that, I was too excited to wait and get the sprockets and the tires. I have none of this, but I still want to go ahead and open the box. So that's what I'll do now. Let's take a look. But this is the packaging that the wheels came in. As you can tell, I mean, there's like the front and the front wheel and the back wheel. Everything is really well packaged, bubble wrap, and everything looks in perfect condition. So it was delivered by DHL today. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up, and I'll be back in a few seconds. All right, so this is the front wheel. And, let's take a look at it. So we can see here some instructions. Instructions all in Japanese, so that might need to do a bit of translation here. But overall, it was super well packaged. I mean, it's so light, so light. Oh, look at this! It's absolutely stunning. Actually, it says here that the air valve are attached. So there you go. We have one valve here, which is interesting because there's no valve in the air box, and you can see this this valve was attached to the top of the box. Actually, I stand corrected. The valves are included with the rims, so I didn't look carefully at the airbox. So both stems or both valves are coming with the wheels. But let's take a look at the wheel. So you got here the carrier, or at least it looks like it's the carrier. So this is what it looks like here. So definitely a unique setup for the carrier. I'll do a bit of reading, make sure I do this properly. They're saying here that I'll need to use some tread glue, so I'm assuming that they want to have some Loctite on the nuts, and I'll just check to make sure this is all properly mounted on there. And once it's done, I'll set it in place here and make sure that everything fits properly. But so far, it looks fairly amazing. So I'm super excited about these wheels, guys. I've always wanted to buy wheels for my R6 and never did it. Actually, I had some extra. That's not true. I have some extra wheels, but they were always the OEM wheels, the very heavy, bulky wheels. These new wheels are just fantastic. It came in well packaged. The finish is absolutely stunning. It's beautifully done. Super light. And the only thing I guess I was a bit surprised is that there's no mounting bolts for the rotors, the disc rotors, which is not a big deal. I was planning on ordering some new bolts, titanium bolts for my OEM wheel as well, because I wanted to just not replace some of the components. And I just figured I would do titanium on day one. So I'll just order an extra set, and I'll start mounting all the goodies on those wheels. Because I live in Canada right now, I can't get any tires anywhere. No one will ship them when it's cold, because it can crack the tire in extreme cold, and it's really cold right now. It's minus 15 degrees Celsius outside, so not really good time of the year to ship tires and to have the chance of having some crack in your slicks. I mean, the dot tires, not a big deal normally. They can sustain the cold weather, but the slicks normally, I guess the oil in the tire will get out and they start cracking. So definitely not a good idea to try to buy these tires in the winter time, or at least have them ship in the winter time. So I'll still make a few phone calls around, see if some of the local stores might have them in stock. If they do, I'll go and pick up a new set of tires for the Galspeed. If not, it's going to take me probably a couple of months before I can get anything shipped here. But I'll just be patient. And now at least I got the wheels. I got the sprockets that are being manufactured now. So the 415 sprockets for the Galspeed are very, very difficult to find. So I found a manufacturer this morning that will take a blank 420 sprocket, and they'll slim it down to the right width, so I can use a 415 chain, and it will also have the 80 millimeter center and the 100 millimeter PCD, and also the 6-bolt pattern. So that's it for now, guys. I'll keep you posted as soon as I got the air components. I'll start the assembly, and I'll report back when I get more information. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care.